Hi there, Coaster Crusaders, and thanks for checking out another NanoCoaster build brought to you by Big Guy Rides. This NanoCoaster was Pipeline Surf Coaster located at SeaWorld Orlando. This is a B&M stand-up that was built in 2023. As you can see, once you open up the package, the first step is to grab some nail clippers. I usually like the sharp, pointy kind as it seems to be the easiest to get the metal pieces out. And you'll want to carefully trim along each cutout in order to get each piece of the coaster track. I always start with cutting all of the tracks out first, as I find it to be easiest to build the coaster once I have all the pieces laid out. You do want to be a little bit careful. The pieces can be kind of sharp, so if you have children with you, please use adult supervision. The instructions can be a little bit confusing as they are only pictures, so feel free to pause and rewind the video if necessary. As you'll see, I go step by step, bending each coaster track piece and kind of putting it in place before I actually pin the tabs down. I found that if you bend it first before the tabs are all the way in, it becomes a little bit easier to shape the track pieces. It's also helpful if you have a regular pair of nail clippers, as sometimes on the bottom of each metal piece, there may be a little extra bit that sticks down, which causes the coaster track not to fully sit in place. So you want to trim that with the smaller nail trimmers there. These nano coasters are from Coaster Dynamix and they're great family fun builds. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment, which coaster should we build next? Thanks for watching Big Guy Rides.